As a professional Christmas light installer, you know the importance of speed, efficiency, and reliability. Our C9 100-foot Pro package has everything you need. This comprehensive package includes 100 feet of commercial-grade 12-inch or 15-inch spaced socket wire, 5 male and female plugs, 25 feet of green lamp cord, and a photo cell timer. The kit offers 2 light bulb choices: commercial elite SMD Christmas light bulbs backed by a 5-year warranty, or you can opt for the Minleon brand C9 LED bulbs. You'll also receive 100 durable and versatile best clips, depending on the spacing you choose. Now let's take a closer look at the materials included and how each component helps you create a flawless installation. This 100-foot spool of Green SPT-1 Socket Wire comes with 2 spacing options, 12-inch or 15-inch spacing between sockets. Just cut the wire to your desired length, whether you need a short run or to wrap an entire roof line. All you need are the male and female plugs that come in the kit to finish the job. For color options, you can choose from warm white, the most popular choice, sun warm white, or combinations like red and warm white, or warm white, red, and green. You can also do the multicolor option. These combinations give you creative flexibility to achieve the perfect look for any project. Next, we have 100 C9 Best clips. These clips are made from the highest quality plastic on the market, designed to last year after year. They're versatile enough to attach to gutters, shingles, and drip edges with ease. 25 feet of green zip cord included in the kit is essentially blank wire, giving you the ability to create custom extension cords or make jumps during your installation. Always make sure to line up the ridges on the wire with the lettering on the plug for a secure, reliable connection. And finally, we've included a photo cell timer. This smart timer automatically turns your lights on when it gets dark and off when it's light outside. You can use it on any of your jobs for hands-free operation. Set it once and it takes care of the rest, giving you one less thing to worry about. The C9 100-foot Christmas Light Pro package has everything you need to complete a professional-grade Christmas light installation with ease, efficiency, and reliability. From the custom-length socket wire to the durable bulbs and clips, it's all here in one package designed to save you time and ensure a perfect finish every time. Order yours today.